दोस्तों आपका फिर से स्वागत है बालूश एजुकेयर में। दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट HSC बोर्ड क्वेश्चन बैंक विद सॉल्यूशन सेट टू नॉन टेक्सुअल ग्रामर। क्वेश्चन बैंक for board examination is available. Link is given in the description box. You can download it from there, and this is just for practice, but we hope that 85 question will be come from this question bank only. Set 2 ग्रामर सेक्शन। दोस्तों सेट 1 प्रो सेक्शन के ऊपर का भी वीडियो बनाया है, उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। वो क्वेश्चन बैंक भी अवेलेबल है विद सॉल्यूशन फॉर प्रैक्टिस फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। लेट्स बिगिन विद एक्सरसाइज ऑन ग्रामर। एक्सरसाइज 1 क्वेश्चन कैन बी लाइक दिस: सेट 2 1B non-textual grammar for 4 marks. Dual directed और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। दोस्तों यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह से समझना है ऑन ग्रामर पार्ट के ऊपर। See the question: choose the correct alternatives to transform the sentence into a simple sentence. So करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव चूज करना है। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया है, उसके 4 ऑप्शन दिए, उसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको चूज करना है और चूज एंड राइट ओनली 1 करेक्ट ऑप्शन। यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन दिए, उसमें से ओनली 1 करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको लिखना है। और ये आपको 2 लग रहे राइट लग रहे तो 2 के 2 मत लिखो, आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा। एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट आंसर एक ही जो आपको 100% श्योर लग रहा है वो आपको लिखना है। सी द क्वेश्चन नाउ हियर। First one, I know that he has stolen the necklace, and correct option is this. For I know him to have stolen the necklace. Okay, B1 is the correct option. दोस्तों we know the types of sentences: simple, compound and complex, and here we need to find out the simple sentence. Okay, now the next one: the sword that is made of pure steel is brought from India, and correct option is first one, A, and the pure steel sword is brought from India. And this is how we need to write exactly answers in answer sheet. Now see the next one: choose the correct alternative to transform sentence into complex sentence. First of all simple sentence आपको find out करना था। Now अभी आपको complex sentence find out करना है। दोस्तों video on grammar is also prepared, all in one video of grammar, so link is given in the description box, so you can go through for the detailed study about the grammar. See the statement now. Search his room and you will find the clue. Okay, given statement is a compound sentence and we transform it into complex sentence. Now option C1 is the correct. If you search his room, comma, you will find the clue. Second one, the luggage was not misplaced but it was kept deliberately. This statement is about again compound sentence and we make it transfer into complex sentence. Now the option is the B1 is the correct. The luggage was not misplaced although it was kept deliberately. Now see the next one. He was a male student but he offered to solve the problem. And find out the correct statement from the following. D option is correct. In spite of his being a male student, he offered to solve the problem, and this is what transformation of complex sentence. One, he must not be absent or he will be declared fail. In event of his being late, he will be punished. And correct option is for the C. In the event of his being absent, he will be declared fail. And this is how we make it compound sentence into complex sentence. Now let's move towards exercise number 2 with solution from HSC board question bank. The first one, choose correct alternative to transform sentence into a compound sentence. दोस्तों टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आपको अच्छी तरह से करो बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए, बेसिक कंसेप्ट भी समझ के लो, ताकि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, क्वेश्चन बैंक में भी इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा एक्सरसाइज दिया हुआ है. The look at the first one. Satish must work very hard to rescue his brother, and we need to make it a compound sentence, and option D is correct. Satish must work hard and rescue his brother. Okay, the next one. The witness said that Mohan was guilty. He declared his innocence. And correct option is the B1. Mohan was guilty, told the witness. Okay, this is how we transform sentence into compound sentence. Next one, citizens who have paid the taxes are always respected. We need to make it compound sentence. Compound sentence is joined with linkers or conjunction like and or but, and the option is the correct. The citizens pay the taxes and are always respected. Next one, the interviewer was annoyed that he told he had not answered his query, and this given statement is the complex sentence. We make it compound one, and C option is the correct. The queries were not answered and the interviewer was annoyed. Now the last one. I was surprised when I heard him reveal the secret. I was surprised to hear him talk so. And the correct option is first one A. I was surprised to hear him reveal the secret. Exercise number 3. Choose the correct alternatives to frame a WH question to get underlined answer. Okay, this exercise on WH kind of question. Some hugs. First one, some thugs try to snatch her gold chain, and the correct option is B. What did some thugs try to snatch? Followed by question mark, and definitely WH ऐसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है with the help of what, where, why, how much, in this way. So underline part should be the answer. So see the second one. Arunima was retrained as a mountaineer, and correct option is first one. What was Arunima retrained as? Arunima retrained as mountaineer. So what was Arunima retrained as, followed by question mark. Next one, an exceptional battle had begun inside the train on the move, and correct option is first one, where had an exceptional battle begun on the move, and this is the first one is the correct option. Fourth one, with the help of the technology, I started responding the treatment, and correct option is the D. How did I start responding the treatment? And so this is the answer. Underline part is the answer. So fourth one, D is the correct option. Is the next one, last one, which is also based on WH type. Ishita invites my family members on my birthday for celebration, and correct option is the D. Okay, when does Ishita invite my family members for celebration? Now see, let's move toward the next exercise from board question bank. Exercise number 4. Choose correct alternatives to make the given sentence exclamatory. First one, you perform very energetically in front of the visitor, and correct option is the C. How energetically in front of the visitor you perform, followed by exclamatory marks. Next one, you have narrated a story, romantic book, and correct option is the C. What a romantic book you have narrated followed by exclamatory mark. Next, choose correct alternative to make the given sentence negative. जो given sentence है उसको negative बनाना है. First one, Sunita is the most loyal employee of our firm, and for this correct option is the C. No other employee of our firm is as loyal as Sunita. Okay, second one, as soon as he entered the room, he noticed the unusual presence. The all is about the transformation of sentences, different types of kinds of grammar. Okay, this is about the degrees of comparison, and this is about as soon as, no sooner did, and all. No, see the second one. As soon as he entered the room, he noticed the unusual present, and correct option is D. No sooner did he enter the room than he noticed the unusual presence. Let's move the next exercise. Spot the error. Compulsory grammar. Compulsory question will be asked in the exam. Question 1, B2, spot the error and rewrite the correct sentences. How to spot the error and how to find out the error and how to write correct statement. The video is created. You will get the link in description box. Go through detail for more practice on this spot the error. Let's begin with this. Solution for question bank, grammar section, spot the error. 1. The number of people do not matter. The number of people does not matter. Okay, spot the error, any kind of a simple error, single or double error in the statement, उसको आपको recorrect लिखना है. वो किसी भी टाइप का हो सकता है, noun, pronoun, plural, singular, voices, tenses, preposition, or any kind of error can be possibility. Second one, I am liking to see movie at the theater. I like to see movies at the theater. Now see, instead of liking, the proper use of like and underline the exact word changes you are doing while writing an answer sheet. Third one, I never forgets the given responsibility, and correct sentence is I never forget the given responsibility. This S है उसको remove किया है, and this is the correct option. Fourth one, he has often asked me to think before I speak. He has often asked me to think before I speak. Okay, ask, it's just change in tense of verb. Now next one, fifth, no sooner did I challenge the man than he accepted it. No sooner did I challenge the man than he accepted it. And this is just again change of tenses, change of verb, right? And this is how we need to find the where error exactly in the statement and rewrite the sentence again in correct way. Next one, we are the most strongest community in the world. And now see, we are the strongest community in the world. Okay, this is error about degree of comparison, right? Second one, seventh, I entered the room for search the documents. I entered the room to search the documents. Error of preposition instead of for, proper use of to. Next, 8, we can plant the trees in order saving the earth. We can plant the trees in order to save earth. This sentence is about gerund and this is about to infinitive, right? So instead of we need to remove ing of verb and just instead of remove ing, write to with main verb. Ninth, I usually ask my employees to be punctual in their task. I usually ask my employees to be punctual in their task. He asks. Okay, I ask. He asks. Second person, first person, right? तो यहाँ पे s खाली निकल जाएगा और main verb ही रहेगा. The next one, 10th, the training come to an end before you left the city. The training had come to an end before you left the city. So came ये past tense में था. It's become come and had. So this is how we need to find out the error in given statement and then rewrite the correct sentence. 11th, if you challenge me, I had accept it. Okay, if you challenge me, I will accept it. So यहाँ पे ये changes हुआ है. Instead of had, just use of will. It's the changes of past into future. 12. The manager was looking into the missing file. The manager was looking for the missing file. Again, error in preposition. 13. She is more taller than all her brothers in the family. She is the tallest of all her brothers in the family. दोस्तों, degree of comparison का basic part भी आप अच्छी तरह से करके रखो. So more taller instead of the tallest of all her brother in the family is the correct answer. 14. He said he did not wanted to go to bazaar yesterday. He said he did not want to go to bazaar yesterday. So instead of wanted, just use of want and underline what you're writing, what changes you're doing in spotting the error part in grammar part. And the last statement from spot the error, mango is the bestest among all the Indian fruits. So it's a very simple. Mango is the best among all the Indian fruits. So instead of bestest, just use of best and this is how we need to find out the spotting the error and solve the non-textual part of the grammar in detail. Dosto, I hope you understand all this. I will just request you just go through once or twice before examination. Most probably, this question is only going to coming in the examination. So for the practice, stay tuned with Balush Educare. Will upload set number 3 very soon about mind mapping. Thank you so much. All the best.